The old windows were getting pretty drafty, and especially, you know, in our main living area, you'd sit there and you could feel the cold air blowing in, especially when the north winds blow. And then throughout the rest of the year, the sound from the highway behind us. Learned Centra's employee-owned company. That was a huge factor for me. It's how I would envision doing my job if this is what I did, installing windows. You know, I don't, but it's the same concept. They seem to take pride in what they were doing. For a lot of what some people might find for questions, I didn't have for questions because it was answered before the question even arose. The information was there already. So one of the guys in particular, he came out and put in this main window, and one of the panes was slightly askewed, and he made the guys, you know, they all ganged together and they took it out and straightened it out. And he was very particular about quality and the finish and the details, the fine details, and it was good to see. Don't have that cold air drafting from the back windows into the house right now, so so far it's made a huge difference. You know, we sit down in the evening and they're after dinner and watch TV, and the house is quiet, and it feels more like home now.